So finally, it's time to celebrate Hamster CEO. Hamster Kombat has actually come out with something more meaningful, something more interesting that I know you'll be happy with. So the airdrop section of Hamster Kombat has actually been updated, and all the criteria for airdrop has actually been given. So we are no more in the dark now. So from the section, if you go to your Hamster Kombat, go to the airdrop section. So you are going to see this there. So from the airdrop section, you said airdrop allocation point. So TBA. You can see point, then withdrawal. So they've actually given us a breakdown of how tokens are going to be allocated. So each of those things, we have point that is attached to it. Then we have passive income. That's to me, I think that's place talking about maybe the amount of coin you've actually earned. Then earn tax, the task you actually completed. Then friend, that's the number of people you invited. Then another thing you are going to see here, we have so another thing we have here, achievement. So that our achievement section, they're actually bringing it. Then Telegram subscription. I think this aspect is talking about either you're a premium Telegram subscriber or ordinary Telegram subscriber. Then keys. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think 7 airdrop criteria. So each of these criteria will be having points that to be allocated, and those points will actually be what will actually determine the amount of token you are going to get at the end of the day. I think it's better now because we now know where we are going. We know where we are, we know where we are going, so you can actually measure yourself to know, okay, this is the amount of airdrop I'm actually expecting. So with this something that Hamster Kombat actually released, it actually made us to know that actually every activities you carried out on Hamster Kombat matters. That is just my conclusion on this. Every activities is just a summary of everything you'll be doing on Hamster Kombat. Everything you do on Hamster Kombat actually matters. So it's a summary. If you're inviting friends, you get to be rewarded. If your achievement, if you are doing well, you'll be rewarded. Telegram subscription, you'll be rewarded. Then the keys, you'll be rewarded. So your effort with this something now is actually showing that those who are actively participating in Hamster Kombat will handsomely be rewarded. That is just my conclusion, because if you actually see the breakdown of how points are going to be allocated per tax, it actually shows that it's those people that actually were actively participating. So you are not going to labor in vain. Active participation, and that is what Hamster Kombat has actually been saying since. And if you've been following my video, these are the things that I've actually been emphasizing. The key, I emphasized about it. The achievement, I talked about it. Then tax, I talked about it. Then profit per hour, we talked about it. Then this area of passive income, I think it should be maybe the coin you earn, because if you check the achievement section, you are going to see where they wrote the number of coin you've actually been able to earn from Hamster Kombat. So what do you have to say concerning this latest airdrop allocation achievement that have been posted by Hamster Kombat? I want to see your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about it? Personally, I'm excited, I'm happy, because all our efforts is finally going to be rewarded handsomely. So I want to see you in the comment section. And if you are here to subscribe to this video, what are you waiting for? Jam on the subscription button and subscribe so that we grow together.